What is the geometric meaning of absolute value inequalities? Imagine standing on a straight road and wanting to know all the places you could be based on how far you are from a certain point. That's exactly what absolute value inequalities help us understand. The absolute value of a number tells us how far that number is from zero on the number line, no matter which direction. So when we see an inequality like absolute value of x less than or equal to 3, it means all points that are no more than 3 units away from zero. Geometrically, this includes every point between -3 and +3 on the number line. It's like drawing a segment from -3 to +3 and saying, any point inside or on this segment satisfies the inequality. Now, absolute value can also be used with expressions like absolute value of x minus a certain number, say 2. This means we are measuring the distance between x and 2. If the inequality says the absolute value of x minus 2 is less than 5, it means all points that are less than 5 units away from 2. On the number line, this creates an interval from to -5 to 2 plus 5, which is -3 to 7. So, any point between -3 and 7 satisfies this inequality. When the inequality involves greater than, like absolute value of x greater than or equal to 4, it means the points are more than 4 units away from 0. Geometrically, this is outside the interval from -4 to +4. So, the solutions are all points less than -4 or greater than 4. These are two separate regions on the number line. Visualizing these inequalities on a number line makes it easier to see what they mean. For less than or equal to, the solution is a solid line segment between the 2 points. For greater than or equal to, it's to rays extending outward beyond those points. This geometric view helps us understand that absolute value inequalities describe regions based on distance. They tell us which points are close enough or far enough from a specific point, making solving these inequalities more straightforward. Instead of just manipulating symbols, we can think of them as areas or regions on the number line, which makes the whole process much clearer.